morning, welcome back to my vlog. Today I was supposed to start a 3-day trip, but I've actually been a little bit under the weather since yesterday, so I was like, I'm not taking a chance going to the doctor first thing today. So I did call out of my trip just to make sure I'm okay. I'm gonna get a COVID test, the rapid and the PCR. If the rapid one comes back positive, then I obviously know I have COVID. If it does come back negative, they'll just screen me for whatever else may be wrong or whatever's going on. I feel like I just have a head cold. Everything from pretty much here up hurts and I just am miserable. So we're gonna see what happens. And I know before anyone comments down below, the rapid tests aren't accurate. Yes, that's why I'm getting the rapid and the PCR. I will be home for the next 3 days. Thankfully, I have a lot of sick time at work, so I haven't really called out sick in a while. I will still be paid for the entire trip, so I'm not really losing any money, and I'll be able to stay home and relax and get better. I guess it's an urgent care and a weight loss center, so 2 birds with 1 stone here. All right, just got to urgent care. I'm gonna go inside and get treated, or get seen, I guess. Got my mask, we're ready to go. Fingers crossed everything is okay and nothing crazy going on in there. And I'll see you guys when I get out. Let's get it over with. Hi, I'm back. So here's what's going on. First thing, best news so far. COVID test came back negative. She didn't seem to think that I had COVID. Basically what she says is I have an upper respiratory infection and an ear infection. So she prescribed me some medicine. I'm gonna go pick it up now. I wasn't planning on doing this, but basically the other night I went to Trader Joe's and picked up a bunch of stuff for my trip. And last night I got it all packed up together before I woke up today and was like, oh no way, I can't go to work today. So I think what I'm gonna do at the end of this video is what's in my lunchbox. So make sure to stay tuned for that because I actually have a bunch of stuff in there, and y'all know I'm not like the best at packing my lunch. On the rare occasion that I do, I would love to show you guys what I packed. I'm gonna go grab my medicine now, and then we're gonna head home. I got a package from Liquid IV, aka my favorite thing in the entire world. They sent me all this cute beach gear, ping pong, sunscreen, a beach bag, a new tumbler, but this is my favorite. They relaunched the pina colada flavor and it's here to stay. It used to be just like a limited time thing, but they are bringing it back full time, and this is my absolute favorite flavor of Liquid IV. So this is not the way that I wanted to do this video, but we're gonna make it work. I was supposed to start a 3-day trip today. I have a full entire lunchbox that I packed last night filled with stuff that I wanted to show you for what's in my flight attendant lunchbox video. So we're gonna do that, but we're just gonna do it at home instead of on my layover. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm not the best at packing my lunch, and I'm not the best at packing healthy lunches either. And there's a lot of times you guys see we go out to eat on trips, you know, it is what it is. On the rare occasion that I do pack a full lunchbox, it's nice and I save a ton of money. All right, so to start out, I have the e-bags cooler. I used to have the Travel Pro one, but I thought it was a little bit small, so I went with the e-bags, and so far I absolutely love it. It is my favorite lunchbox that I've had by far. Let's take a look what's inside. So in this front compartment up here, I usually just keep my silverware, and I also have some Crystal Lights. This is my favorite flavor. And then I actually got this at Walmart in the camping section. It just has, I don't want it to all fall out, but it has a knife, a fork, and a spoon, which is great because as a flight attendant, there's a lot of times that I find myself not having silverware. I get up to the hotel room, make my food, and the last thing I want to do after I just made my food is go back downstairs and ask them for a fork. All right, so let's see what's in my little top compartment up here. So these are from Trader Joe's. They are the Indian style flatbread, and I actually cut them in half so that they fit in my lunchbox better. These are great with hummus or whatever you want to do. You can make a sandwich with them, a wrap, whatever you want. And then these are mostly snacks up here. I always keep popcorn in my lunchbox. They make a great snack, easy to travel with. And then I keep a bunch of different drink mixes and a plastic knife apparently. Y'all know I love my Liquid IV, so I have a couple different flavors. Pina colada, which conveniently is their new flavor for the summer. Y'all can use my discount code HunterLihas at checkout to save 25%. And I also have some passion fruit and then another pina colada. I really cut down on drinking coffee, and I don't drink soda at all anymore. So those are a great pick-me-up throughout the day. I love them. And I'm not just saying that either. I actually really enjoy drinking them. So now let's get into this main compartment of my lunchbox. First thing I have in here is a green juice from Trader Joe's. It has like banana, mango, kiwi, and a bunch of other good stuff in there. They are really, really delicious. This is something new. I've never had it. It's a banana and almond butter shake. I'm assuming it's supposed to be like a protein shake. Since we're not going to work, let's actually just try this right now. Ooh. It tastes just like a banana milkshake. This is delicious, 10 out of 10. You need to go to Trader Joe's and get this immediately. What else do we have in here today? I have a watermelon cold pressed juice, super yummy. I have everything but the elote dip. This is great, especially with these flatbreads. You put some on there. And a secret I have is if you put one of those flatbreads in the oven and bake it till it's nice and crisp and then dip it in here, 10 out of 10 with this. They also make that seasoning at Trader Joe's, delicious. For lunch, I was gonna have this turkey club wrap on the plane today. I'll just eat it at home today instead. These are really good. I feel like it was like $2.99, so it's a really good deal. It has turkey, bacon, lettuce, and tomato. Not a huge tomato person, but I would still eat it. And I also have this barbecue seasoned white chicken salad. Trader Joe's has like the best salads. I went super late last night. I went at like, I don't know, 8:45, so 15 minutes before they closed, and they was slim pickings. All the salads were sold out, so I went with the barbecue one. I also like their Southwest chicken salad, delicious. Okay, this, I have it all taped up so it did not spill on my lunchbox. This is actually the mandarin orange chicken sauce, and I do have the chicken in there as well. I made this all last night for my trip, and then didn't even get a chance to take it, but I'll eat it while we're here. This is the chicken. I actually threw this in the air fryer. This would have been like 2 nights of dinner. I would have put the sauce over it and then ate it like that. Heated it up in the microwave at the hotel. And then these are chicken and cheese raviolis with a couple different herbs. I thought there was spinach in there, which I was really excited about, but I guess there's not. And then there's a vegan Alfredo sauce I put on them. Obviously there's chicken in it, so I'm not vegan, but you know what? We went with the vegan Alfredo sauce. I also forgot to show you that I packed these half moon cookies, which are delicious. They have a similar version of these like everywhere. I know I see them at Publix a lot, but the Trader Joe's ones are my absolute favorite. They're so good. They make the best dessert. If you aren't buying these at Trader Joe's, what are you doing? So that is everything I would take with me on a 3-day trip. Like I said, I'm not the best at packing the healthiest options. Probably the healthiest thing I have in here is this green juice, but you know what? It's okay. So now while I'm sitting at home, I have a ton of different food to eat. I don't have to worry about cooking anything while I'm here, and I can just kind of relax and feel better. I know this video was pretty short, but I did want to just show you guys since I have the time now. Pretty much everything in here except for the drink mix and the popcorn was from Trader Joe's. So if you saw anything that you liked, all of it can be found at Trader Joe's. I live in Tampa, and to be honest, I feel like my Trader Joe's does not have the best selection compared to other ones that I've been to, which kind of irritates me because like I see all this stuff on TikTok from Trader Joe's and my store never has it. But I honestly think that is because of TikTok. Once something goes viral on TikTok, you're never gonna find it in the store. That's the tea. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Also, can you guys comment some of your favorite things, especially if you're a flight attendant? What do you guys like to pack? Or what, even if you just work like a corporate job, what do you pack in your lunch? I'm always looking for ideas and suggestions. Let me know down in the comments. Share this video with a friend, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.